Hello everybody and welcome to the Leading Edge Detailing Online Training Academy. Today we're going to be talking about odor removal from the interior of vehicles. This is something that you will come across commonly in your detailing business, especially when dealing with used vehicles. Somebody goes out and buys a beautiful used car, but the previous owner was a smoker, and then there is a strong smell of cigarettes in the vehicle. It is, however, not limited to only cigarette smoke and cigarette smell. Sometimes you have all kinds of odors, especially if you're like me and you have kids that vomit all the time. The process to remove odors from vehicles begins with identifying where the odor is coming from. There is no point of trying to remove odors using chemicals and ozone machines if there is some food underneath a seat that's creating that smell, or if there's an ashtray full of cigarette butts. So the first thing you need to do is go through the car and try to isolate where that smell is coming from and remove it. That is the first thing you need to do. The second thing you need to do is carry out a full interior detail. This is especially important for cigarette smell because that odor has sat around in the vehicle the whole time and it's embedded itself in all the carpets, all the plastics, and the roof lining. If you don't do a full interior detail, you're only going to be trying to patch up and mask up that smell. No different to being smelly and using deodorant to hide the smell of sweat. You need to have a shower, and the same concept can be applied for vehicles. So the cleaning process is no different to any other process. You need to be thorough and vacuum thoroughly, clean the plastics and dress them, clean the leathers and dress them, and clean the upholstery very thoroughly. Further to the cleaning process, you need to recommend to the customer to remove their air conditioning filter or pollen filter, because that is very likely to have the smell embedded in there, and it's not going to be removed if you don't do that. Every time the customer will jump into their car and turn the air conditioning on, they're going to be blasted with the smell in their face because that odor is also trapped in the pollen filter and the air conditioning system. Further to the regular cleaning process, I also recommend using the ozone machine for at least 1 hour with the air conditioning running at full blast with recirculating function on. This is not only going to further disinfect and remove odors from all the surfaces within the car, but it's also going to get rid of the odor from the air conditioning system and the air conditioning ducting. Finally, I recommend using IGL Air on all the upholstery and the floor mats and the carpets. This product is going to actively break down bad odors and replace it with a nice pleasant smell. As you could see from this tutorial, a full interior detail is necessary to completely remove odors from a vehicle. However, in saying that, if you know where the smell is coming from, you can isolate the cleaning to that particular area. For example, if there is a milk or food spill in the passenger side footwell of the vehicle, you can focus on that area and save the customer time and money in doing a full interior detail. But that does not guarantee removal of all the odors in case that odor has been lingering around for so long, it's embedded itself in the adjacent surfaces. You can also run the ozone machine by itself and use IGL Air by itself to remove those musky smells where there has been a moisture leak before. This is not ideal, but it's far better than doing nothing. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and I look forward to presenting the next modules for you.